Hey there, welcome back to Hustle Hacks. Are you looking to make some extra cash while studying on campus? Well, you're in luck. Today, we have an exciting list of 11 fantastic side hustle ideas that you can start right now. These side hustles are perfect for college students like you, and they can help you earn money while staying in the heart of your university. So let's dive right in. Number 1, campus delivery service. Our first side hustle idea is the campus delivery service. With all the hustle and bustle on campus, students often find it challenging to grab a quick bite or some essential supplies. Here's your chance to become a hero. You can start your very own delivery service delivering food, snacks, and other essentials right to their dorms or study spaces. The potential earnings for this side hustle can be quite impressive, with some students making around $15 to $20 per hour, especially during peak times like lunch and dinner. Imagine providing a fast and convenient service to your fellow students while making money at the same time. All you need is a bicycle or scooter and a strong sense of direction. Your fellow students will love you for making their lives easier, and you'll be stacking up the cash in no time. Number 2, personal training and fitness classes. Are you passionate about fitness and leading a healthy lifestyle? Well, why not turn that passion into profit? Become a personal trainer and offer fitness classes or one-on-one training sessions to students looking to stay fit. The potential earnings for personal trainers can vary based on location and experience, but on average, you can make anywhere from $20 to $50 per hour. Just imagine motivating and inspiring others to achieve their fitness goals while earning a handsome income. You can utilize the campus gym or even use outdoor spaces for group workouts. Not only will you help your peers stay healthy, but you'll also boost your bank account in the process. Number 3, event planning. Calling all party planners and event enthusiasts. If you have a knack for organizing and love bringing people together, event planning might be the perfect side hustle for you. Help plan and organize parties, fundraisers, or small events for student groups and organizations. The potential earnings for event planners can be quite promising, with some making a few $100s to over $1,000 per event. Just imagine the satisfaction of seeing your creative vision come to life while earning a generous income. From theme selection to venue arrangements, your creativity will be put to good use, and you'll earn money while having a blast. Number 4, language tutoring. Are you bilingual or even trilingual? Put those language skills to use by offering language tutoring services. Help fellow students who want to learn a new language, improve their pronunciation, and boost their confidence in language courses. Language tutors can earn anywhere from $15 to $30 per hour, depending on the demand for the language and your expertise. Just imagine sharing your language knowledge and cultural insights while earning a rewarding income. It's not only a great way to share your knowledge, but also a fulfilling way to help others succeed academically. Number 5, professional resume writing. When it comes to applying for internships or part-time jobs, a killer CV can make all the difference. If you have a way with words and know how to showcase someone's skills, consider starting a resume writing service. The potential earnings for CV writers can be quite rewarding, with rates ranging from $25 to $100 per resume, depending on the level of customization and complexity. Just imagine the sense of accomplishment when your well-crafted CV helps your peers land their dream jobs. Help them create professional resumes and cover letters that stand out from the crowd. Your writing expertise will be highly valued, and you'll play a crucial role in their career journeys. Number 6, smartphone repairs. Let's face it, smartphones are essential to college life. And with their constant use, accidents are bound to happen. If you're tech savvy and know your way around smartphone repairs, offer your services on campus. The potential earnings for smartphone repair technicians can be substantial, with some making $30 to $100 per repair, depending on the type of repair and the market demand. Just imagine the satisfaction of saving your fellow students from the frustration of dealing with a broken phone while earning a lucrative income. Whether it's fixing cracked screens or replacing batteries, you'll be the go-to person for your fellow students' smartphone woes. Plus, you'll save them from expensive repair shop fees. Number 7, personal shopping. Life as a college student can get pretty hectic, leaving little time for grocery shopping or finding the perfect outfit for an important event. Be the helping hand they need. Offer personal shopping services, helping busy students shop for groceries, clothes, or other necessities. Personal shoppers can charge hourly rates typically ranging from $15 to $40 per hour. Just imagine the convenience you'll provide to your peers, allowing them to focus on their studies while you take care of their shopping needs. It's a convenient and time-saving service that many will appreciate, and you'll earn some extra cash along the way. Number 8. Campus Tour Guide. As a college student, you know your campus like the back of your hand. Why not leverage that knowledge by becoming a campus tour guide? Show prospective students and visitors around your university, sharing interesting facts and stories about its history, buildings, and student life. Campus tour guides can make around $10 to $30 per hour, and you'll be the friendly face they remember when making their decision about the university. Just imagine the pride of representing your campus and showcasing its unique features to future students and visitors while earning a steady income. Number 9. Renting out equipment. Are you the proud owner of a high-quality camera, projector, or other equipment that's in demand on campus? Put it to good use and make some money by renting it out to your fellow students. The potential earnings for renting out equipment can be substantial, depending on the type of equipment and the rental demand. Whether it's for photography projects or presentations, your equipment can be a valuable resource for others. Just imagine the satisfaction of helping your peers with their projects and presentations while earning a steady income from your equipment. It's a win-win situation. Number 10. Academic Notes Sharing. Next, we have the Academic Notes Sharing Hustle. You're already taking notes during lectures and classes, so why not turn them into a valuable resource for others? Compile and sell comprehensive notes from your classes to help other students study better. The potential earnings for academic note sharing can add up over time, especially if you offer notes for multiple courses. Just imagine the impact your well-organized and thorough notes can have on your fellow students' academic success while earning a consistent income. Your organized and thorough notes can be a lifesaver for those who missed a class or need extra assistance. Number 11. Become a virtual assistant. Are you a master of organization and multitasking? Consider becoming a virtual assistant and provide administrative and organizational support to professors, local businesses, or student organizations remotely. As a virtual assistant, you can help with tasks like scheduling appointments, managing emails, data entry, social media management, and more. The potential earnings for virtual assistants can vary based on the complexity of tasks and your experience. But on average, you can make around $15 to $25 per hour. Just imagine the flexibility of working from your dorm room or favorite study spot while assisting others and earning money. Your excellent organizational skills will be put to good use, and you'll gain valuable work experience that can enhance your resume for future career opportunities. And there you have it. 11 awesome side hustle ideas for college students to make money on campus. Whether you're into event planning, fitness, or academic support, there's something for everyone. So what are you waiting for? Get started on your side hustle journey today and turn your campus life into a profitable adventure. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Happy hustling!